Good morning, children. I hope all of you are doing good. We had read the chapter My School. Today, we will be listening to some sounds. So, are you ready? Let's get started. Today, I will be telling you the sound of O. So, open your ears and listen to me carefully. There are two sounds of O. One is the long sound and the second is the short sound. Let us see the long sound of O. Goat. So, like we say O, the sound is also the same. So, long sound of O is O. Goat. O. Soap. O. This is the long sound of O. O. Now, let us see the short sound of O. It is O. O. Ostrich. Socks. O. O. This is the short sound of O. Again, long sound of O. O. Short sound of O. 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 Now, children, listen carefully to some sounds that I am telling you. Hop. In this, the sound of O is O. Hop. Hop. Up. O. Okay? So, the sound of O is O. The sound of AU in tot. It is O. Tot. O. In OU is fought. Ought. Fought. So the sound is O. Now, did you see something? Did you hear something? Yes. All the sounds are same and they have the short sound of O, and that is O. Hop. Taught. O. Fought. O. Now, listen carefully. I want to tell you something. There is also a matching sound for the long sound of O. O. Soap. O. Flow. O. So, the sound of O is O and the sound of OW is also O. So, I can say that both have the same long sound of O. दोनों की आवाज़ सेम है. O and as in soap and OW. O as in flow. Children, please remember these words OW, AU, they have different sounds as well. This is only the similarity that I am telling you that they have with the sound of O. We will be doing the book exercise page number 37. Now, see here. We have to write the rhyming word for each of the following words. Rhyming words, it means they have the same sound. When you hear, you will find that they are same. They have the same sound but different spellings. Okay? Pot. Pot. Now here the sound of O is O. P, O, T. Pot. So I can say the rhyming word. Think. Cot. C-O-T. Cot. Next is fought. So I can say lot. Now see, the spellings are not the same, but the sound is same. Fought. F-O-T. Fought. L-O-T. Lot. Fought. Lot. Log. So the rhyming word frog I can say, right? Here the sound of O is O. And next, see, mop. Mop. I can say top. Here the sound of O is O. Cot. Here the sound of AU. K-O-T. Cot. AU is O. Just like O. Tot. Now, the next 3 questions, you will try to solve them. Now, children, you have to write some words which have the sound O-W, O, which have the sound O, but the spelling is O-W. Okay? But the spelling is O-W. जैसे flow. F-L-O-W. The spelling is O-W, but the sound is O. Flow. See the next one. Grow. O. The spelling is O-W in the end, but the sound is O. Children, the next 2 examples you will try to find out. Now, think and write. There are 2 words given here, O-W and, just a second children, I told you that these words, they have different sounds, है ना? In flow, okay? In flow, F-L-O-W, the sound of O-W, O-W का sound था O. But here, in the spelling down, D-O-W-N, here, just a second children, D-O-W-N. Here, the sound of O-W is ow, down, ow, है ना? Okay? Then, O-U. Now, here in fought, F-O-U-G-H-T. Here in fought, the sound of O-U was O. But in loud, the sound is ow. Okay? It is ow. Down. Loud. Ow. Okay? Now here, see here, there are some words given and we have to circle those words according to the sound they make. Okay? If you hear the ow sound, then you will circle it. Otherwise, you will not. So, open your ears and listen when I tell you the words. See here, frown, frown. So, can you see ow sound? Can you hear? I'm sorry. Can you hear ow sound? Frown. Yes, so I will circle it. Next, cloud. Can you see? Can you hear the ow sound? Cloud. Yes. Next, brown. Can you hear the ow sound? Yes, so I will circle it. Next, bot. Bot. Did you hear the ow sound? I did not. The sound was oh, bot. So, we will not circle it. Now, the last one. Cow. Cow. Did you hear the ow sound? Yes. So, we will circle it. Now, the rest of the examples, you will try to find out the words. Okay? It is a homework for you.